Hi class, today we're going to talk about arithmetic sequence. It helps if you can memorize the formula. The formula is an equals a1 plus n minus 1 times d. So that's the formula right there. D in this case is the common difference. So for example, this problem right here, you see we have 2 and then we have -5 and then -12. So you see that if you take 2 and you add -7, you get -5, right? And then -5, you add -7, you get -12. Or you can think of it as subtracting 7. So the next one, -12, if you subtract 7, you're going to get -19. From -19, you subtract 7, you're going to get -26. So you see in this problem right here, D is -7. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. The next one right here, as you can see, we have to find the 80th term of that sequence. So let me rewrite the formula for you. So an, the more you do it, if you keep rewriting, you're gonna remember it. So a1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so in this case, we're looking for a 80, right? So A1 in this case is 13. N in this case is 80 minus 1. Now you need to figure out D. So you can see that 21 subtract 13, you get 8, right? And then if you take 21, you add 8, you get 29. You add 8, you get 37. So D is 8. Okay, and then from there you just solve it. Okay, anyway, let me write down 21 minus 13 is 8. 29 minus 21 is 8. Okay, so from here you calculate, and then it should be really easy. If everything is given to you, then it's really easy. So the answer is 645. Okay, like I said, if A1 is given, N is given, D is given, then it's really easy. Okay, so for this problem, find the 18th term of the sequence whose common difference is 5, and the first term is A1. Once again, you have everything. So we're looking for A18, and then you just plug it in. I'm going to rewrite it. N minus 1D. So A1 is 3 plus 17 times D is 5. Okay, so it's really easy. $88. Okay, now moving on to this problem right here, you see that we're looking for A38, but they didn't give you A1. They didn't give you the difference. What they give you is two terms, right? So we have 84 and we have 12. Now I do have the general formula for you right there, and then the general formula, if you notice, we just replaced 1 by m. Okay, so what I have is A84, right? 884, and I have A12. Okay, so you can see right there, right? A84 equals to A12 plus, what do we have? N minus M. So N minus M in this case, N is 84 and 12, and M is 12. Okay, D. We don't have D, so you have to solve for D. So A84 is 392 and A12 is 32 plus, I can just subtract right away. I get 72D right here. And then from here, you can solve for D, yeah? $360, I subtract 30, 72D. So D is 5. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back and I use A38 this time. Okay, you can use for AM, you can use A84 or A12. I'm gonna use A12 plus, and then we have N is 38 minus 12, and we now have D, which is 5, right? And then from there, A38, A12, we have A12, which is 32 plus, and then like I said, I can subtract right away, times 5. Okay, 26 times 5 plus 32. So A38 should be 162. Okay, so you can see that we can use the general formula and make it easy.